The AS Solar Tripod Concrete Roof Solar Mounting System, developed by JIS C8955, is designed to be a flexible and reliable choice for mounting modules on concrete flat roofs. For each system, you get a simple and robust design, compatible with most panels, framed or frameless, and an adjustable tilt angle between 5 and 45 degrees. AS Solar Tripod Mounting System design is foldable, compact, and comes pre-assembled before shipment, which saves time and cost required for installation. Through an online configuration tool available to each customer, the number of parts per system is minimised, further reducing the steps in the on-site assembly process. Angel Solar has an extensive catalogue of interchangeable components that can further customise your mounting system to your needs. These components are made from AL6005-T5 anodized aluminium, while certain accessories like screws and bolts are made from SUS304 steel. These materials are lightweight, corrosion resistant, and built to withstand heavy loads for long periods. Concrete foundations are the ideal base for the AS Solar Tripod system, especially when mounted on a building rooftop. Concrete sits directly on your flat roofs and require no penetration of your roofing material. This form of foundation keeps the system intact against harsh weather conditions, while also elevating your solar panels and reducing the shading from nearby fences or walls. The system is also adaptable for use on flat ground, with the same option of using concrete on the base of the tripod structure. A manufacturer warranty period of 15 years guarantees the service life of your mounting system. Certifications for aluminium structures such as the AS/NZS 1170, DIN 1055, JIS C8955 have been fulfilled to assure the quality of the AS Solar Tripod mounting system. Since 2009, Angel Solar has striven for cost effectiveness in module mounting products, delivering durability and ease of installation for all types of photovoltaic systems.